Okay, so I know my hair is definitely freaking blonde right now, but we're just gonna act like this red bandana is my hair. So first you just want to start off by brushing your brows out because they're probably all over the place to start with. Taking any red lip liner, you want to start outlining your brows just like you would any other time while you're doing your brows. And preferably pick a red lip liner that is the same color as your red hair. So obviously this looks really messy, so we're gonna go in with this red matte lipstick by ColourPop with an angle brush and fill it in and outline it kind of the same way you do with the lip liner. If you have crazy eyebrow hairs like I do, it's best to use a matte lipstick so that the lipstick is helping hold down your hairs. And now to clean up your eyebrows, you're going to want to take a concealer. I'm using Tarte and I don't know what color this is, but I'm going to go under my brows with a different angle brush and just clean up all the messiness of the lip liner. I like to go over the top part of my brow. I feel like it just makes everything look sharper and cleaner. And now with any type of blending brush, I like to go in and blend the heck out of this concealer. Like no lie, I'll go in under my eyebrows, over my eyebrows, in between my eyebrows, like everything. Just blend it, honey. I feel like it's best because the concealer is so much lighter than my skin at least. I go in with powder that's my skin tone and I just kind of go over it and set the concealer. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.